Hello, hello, hello! Doc Bry is here in Brussels, Belgium. At sa likod ko, ang Atonium. Sa mga sedentary dyan, walking. Be active. Mag-start muna tayo sa walking. It literally will save your life. Paano? 6,000 to 8,000 steps for those above 60 years old will cut the risk of dying early in half. To those under 60 years old, 8,000 to 10,000 steps, it will decrease or cut the risk of dying in half. Kaya please, lakad-lakad. Napakahalaga sa ating health. Dun sa mga normal ang weight pero hindi naglalakad, comparing dun sa kahit overweight or obese na naglalakad, mas mahaba po ang buhay ng mga naglalakad. So adapt and evolve, be the best version of yourself. Bye!